Okay, when I reload that page, a loading circle appears. For almost 3 times it rotates, and then a simple fade in effect I have used here for our text logo of our website, and it has some home and contact us button with having a hover effect. So the loading circle occurs for almost 3 times, right? And then the rest of the animation occur. If you want to change the loading circle number of times, how much it rotates, here you just need to go to HTML page. As you can see, I have given the class name here, loading circle. It is easy to detect now. Then you have to move to style.css here, and you have to search that class. As you can see, the class is loading circle. Here you have just need to change the iteration count. Here it is now 3, as I already show there. When I reload that page, it rotate up to 3 times. If you want to rotate it more than 3 times, you just need to change that number and change it to whatever you want. Here, if I change it to 5 and save our work, sorry, let me save this work, and then I reload that page. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, but it quite mess up our work. As you can see, the Zampa text logo also appear right during when the circular animation is performing its own job. If you want to change the fade in effect of our Zampa and home and contact us button also, because as you can see here, I have to delay the fade in animation because it is also performing. They are quite performing all in at the same moment there. So the fade in effect can also be changed. Here the class that I have given to Zampa word is logo, and the button obviously have the class name ID I have given to them, button 1 and button 2. You just need to search those class and IDs in the styles.css. The logo is quite easier to find out, and you just need to change here the delay seconds. Okay, and that's it. You just have to play with these code so that you can until you're satisfied with your result. And one more thing I have to show you is that this website is responsive. If I go to iPhone X or any resolution you want to choose, you can choose whatever you want. Here I am just choosing to show you a sample that in iPhone X, as you can see, the button have goes into different position according to the resolution I have set here, and the text of our website logo is also quite got bigger here. How I do that is simple, as I use media queries here, media, where I have used a specific width depending on what resolution you want, and then you have to change the settings, what kind of settings you want on a specific width. So it is that simple.